21st chocolate cake. Hello and welcome to today's tutorial where you can join us in creating a chocolate drip cake. I'm your host Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Whether you're new to caking or have been in business for a while, we're here to share all our insider tips and make your caking journey that little bit easier. We work with buttercream, ganache and fondant, so we've got you covered. Now before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along with us. Today's cake is for a 21st birthday and has several different chocolates for decoration. It's predominantly a Milo theme and milk chocolate, as these are the birthday boy's favourites. We like to start by being fully prepped. All our chocolates are unwrapped and lined up. Some are cut into smaller pieces or different shapes. Everything's ready to assemble on our cake. We're using a tall double barrel 7-inch round cake, which has been layered with our signature ganache and covered in our signature buttercream, and then chilled in the fridge so it's nice and firm. You can find both our buttercream and ganache tutorials, which have our exact recipe and all our years of experience and tips and tricks within it, over on our website in our shop, or you can easily find us on Instagram at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette and just comment ganache or buttercream on any of our posts and we'll DM you the direct link. Now, to start the decoration, we gently pour over our ganache drip that we have made and use a spoon to spread it over the edges. You need to work quickly and assess the consistency of your drip so that it's not too thick or too thin. If your drip is too thick, you may need to warm it slightly in the microwave, and if it's too runny, place your drip back in the fridge and recheck it in 10 minutes. Also place your cake back in the fridge and keep it chilled. Next, we add our topper into the center of the cake. Then we carefully place the chocolates onto the cake. We position them at the base of the cake as well as on top, and also pipe buttercream for both the decoration and to act as the glue for the chocolates. We also use some of our chocolate drip to act as the glue for sticking our chocolates on as well. Lastly, we sprinkle Milo over the top and at the base for the final touches. Don't forget, you can grab both our ganache and buttercream tutorials over on Instagram just by commenting the word ganache or buttercream on any of our posts and we'll send you the direct link. We hope you've enjoyed today's video and would love it if you would take a moment to subscribe and leave us a 5-star review. That would be amazing. If there are any topics you'd like us to cover, whether it's related to decorating or pricing, just comment below or send us a DM on Instagram and get in touch. Until next time, happy caking!